In the United States, Christmas is celebrated on December 25th. This holiday commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ and is typically a time for family, friends, and gift-giving. There are a variety of traditions associated with Christmas in the U.S. One popular tradition is putting up a Christmas tree in the home. Christmas trees can be real or artificial, and are often decorated with lights, garland, and ornaments. Another common Christmas tradition in the U.S. is sending Christmas cards. This is typically done with family and friends, and often includes a photo of the family. Christmas dinner is typically a large meal, and often includes a traditional roasted turkey. Other popular dishes include ham, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and cranberry sauce. For dessert, pies are often served, such as pumpkin, apple, or pecan. After dinner, many people in the U.S. enjoy opening their Christmas presents. Gifts are often given to family members and close friends. Overall, Christmas is a joyous time of year in the United States. Families and friends come together to celebrate, and the spirit of giving is evident everywhere.